Hello friends, welcome to my channel Archie Chowdhury. How are you all doing? I hope you all are doing fine and taking great care of yourselves and staying strong and staying very healthy. And the most important part is to stay healthy and eat healthy and live healthy lifestyle. So you must be wondering, why am I wearing a sweater? It's very cold here and I'm really shivering. So it was just early morning time and now I'll just cook something and kiddos need something else. So the plans keep changing all the time and I broke my nails. So I used so much of hand sanitizer that my nails didn't like the hand sanitizer. So it was unsafe for my nails, but it's okay. Nails keep growing. So this was it, and let's see what I can do today, and let's come into my kitchen. Welcome. So here I have taken a cooker and I've dropped some oil. Now I'll cut some onions. I'm adding some mustard seeds. The oil was really hot. Now I'll add some onions. So I've taken 2 pods of garlic. I'll just add 2 pods of garlic. So I've just taken 1 tomato and I'll just chop this 1 tomato roughly. So here I had some carrots and some celery. I just will put this in the vegetables and cook it thoroughly. I'm adding all the vegetables like celery and carrots. I have some green beans also. I said okay, I'll put some green beans and I'll add some potato also now. So here I'm just taking 1 potato and cleaning it. See all the mess when we are cooking, all this mess happens. So here I'll cut the potatoes in small cubes. I still need to add some spices also, which I didn't do it yet. And doing like this, I have cut my finger a lot, if you all can see. So it's always better to do cutting on the cutting board. That's why things were invented, because we could do the right way, but we want to do everything in our own tradition way, and Indian moms are little different than the other moms. So I'm just adding some salt over here. That's according to your taste. So here I'm adding some chili powder, paprika. Add some turmeric. And over here I had chopped cilantro already. So here I've sauteed everything well. Now I'll just close the lid for 5 minutes and it will give 1 whistle and we're done. And then we'll do our puff pastries. So here I'll keep it on high and it will get cooked in 5 minutes. So here's the vegetable which got cooked so well. Now we'll use this in our puff pastry filling, and puff pastries are going to taste yum. Let's see if the potatoes got cooked. See, potatoes got cooked so well. So this is the puff pastry I'm going to use, and it is from King Soopers. I bought this Pepperidge Farm. You get this in Walmart, Safeway, everywhere, but I just bought it from from King Soopers. So this we are going to use it now. So it came out like this in this pack. There'll be 2 out of 2 in it. So I'll just rip this. So here's the first one. Here's the second one. And there'll always be dry flour in it. So it comes out like this. Just open it. And there are papers again. And then this paper again. See how much amount of wheat flour or dusting flour they give, because they know that it can stick down, and this is how it comes. And now we'll cut it into 3 pieces. So here I've cut it into 3 pieces, but these 3 pieces I'm going to make it into 6. So I just cut them into half, and this one again I do it into half. So now we take this vegetable. We don't need much. Just take little and stick it off. So I've already put it, and instead of doing this, I think I would rather fold it. Just fold it. Put your finger, use your hands, stick it from the edges, and it stick it from this edge also. You can use some water if you want. I don't feel like using water. I'll just cover it just like that. I'll just pinch it little. So now I'll fill off all these 6 which I have over here. I'll close it and we'll put it in the air fryer. Yeah. So now I'm going to put all of these in the air fryer. They come out so good and you don't have to use oil and all. So it will get cooked so well. I just heated up the air fryer for 2 minutes so that it becomes hot, and we'll put 4. So now I'm just closing and keeping the air fryer on. I've kept to 400 and for 10 minutes. So now I'm doing it for the second one. So here we are removing this one again. So again there is a lot of dust again, the flour dust. So we'll put it down and we'll do the same procedure, cut it into 3 pieces. Then from 3 pieces we'll do it into 6 pieces. Oh, they didn't come out evenly, but that's okay. So here again I've started the same procedure. Just fold them, put the vegetable. So again now sometimes if you feel that it is not sticking well, use some water, as I'm dipping my fingers in the water and just sticking it off so that they stick off well. See, all the flour is still there, but it's okay. Just stick it with water. Just wet your hands and just stick it. So here we are opening because it's 5 minutes. Oh, it opened up because we didn't stick water for it, but it's okay. It is anyway a homely thing and a house thing. No oil, nothing. Very healthy. So we'll just flip it and keep it for cooking for another 5 minutes. See, the design has come down. So this is really good. So I flipped them over and just see the design of the air fryer holes. So it looks so good. Let's keep it again for 5 minutes. So now it's on, and now the green button light is off because the air fryer is so hot and nice. So let it get cooked for 5 more minutes. So here we have removed it. It is cooked so well. Just look at the color. Light brown, dark brown. It's perfectly cooked. Now let's put it in the plate. Here's some salsa and here's the puff pastry. Enjoy. So one of my friends, she wanted to see this sweater because it's made from India and it's made by hand. So it has 2 pockets also, if you can see it. I think I'm showing you well. And there are good designs, and when you wear this upon a chudidar and when you wear your dupatta and your veil, it looks more nice and it's covered. And all the winters I wear this first and then a jacket, and this protects me from winters. So friends, this was it today, and it was really very yummy and tasty. Kiddos love snack as their lunch or dinner kind of thing. They only want snacks things and something which is healthy, and this is very healthy because it's done in the air fryer, and I've shared many recipes in the air fryer too. So air fryer, I didn't have to even put even a drop of oil in this, and it was healthy, yummy, vegetables were there, and it was all enjoyable. So this was it for today, and I hope I see you in the next video. Till then, keep smiling, keep healthy, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't. Subscribe, share and comment. I'll see you all in the next video. Bye. Take care.